Good afternoon, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please hit the like button and please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Got my Pagani Design PD 1782. I called it the 1682 in one of my previous videos. That was a mistake, sorry. This is a beautiful kind of partial homage to like a 1970s style chronograph. Quartz mechanism, beautiful white hands, very good for small wrists, even though I've got big wrists. This is a very small, petite-ish watch at less than 40 mil nominal diameter. But today is another unboxing from a very popular watch manufacturer from, of course, AliExpress. And this is, I had to pick it up because when I saw the depth of I saw the water resistance of 100 bar, 1,000 meters. Oh yeah, that's right. And when I saw the price of south of 65 quid, which is what I picked this thing up for, I just had to pick it up. I just had to get it. Now, wow. That feels heavy, and it will do. Oh yeah. Check that out. This is the Addiesdive, I think it's the H6, 1,000 meter water resist. Look at how thick them links are. They're probably 4 mil at least. This is a 46 millimeter NH35 auto, fully loomed. Obviously I've not put the UV on it yet. I've only just took it out of the box. That's going to be at least 13.5 to 14 mil thick. Obviously you know the style. This is kind of like a homage. I love this kind of style. It's a true utilitarian dive watch with the specs to back it up. So I'll check the clasp out. Obviously I'll take all this off in a second. Let's check the bezel out. That is a very stiff bezel. A lot of resistance there, but it is a dive watch, of course. Minimal back play. Very tough to turn, but that'll be a design feature. I got it in the all black. To be fair, I wanted it in the all blue, but I could only find it in the all black. But now it is available in the all blue. The only thing I'm initially thinking that's a bit disappointing is the clasp. I don't know why they've gone for a cheap and nasty tinny clasp like that. That being said, obviously I've kept the, just ignore that for a second. It's a very small clasp. It has got 3 micro adjusts and it has got safety and push buttons. Why they've gone for very thin, tinny swing arms, I've no idea. The weight of this thing is going to be, it's not that much, but it's going to be north of 200 grams, I would guess. Just feeling it in my hands. It's going to be around the 200 gram mark. Wow, check that out. It's obviously going to be top heavy. It is top heavy, but that's because it's probably about 14 mil thick. It's got a sapphire crystal with a ceramic bezel. But very interesting watch. 1,000 meter depth. Would I swim to would I dive to that depth, 1 kilometer with this thing? The answer is nope. But that being said, you know, would I go diving with it? Yes. Very interesting watch. Feels well made other than the clasp. But again, the mechanism itself, as you can see, everything's working perfectly fine. It's just that the actual material, the gauge of the material is a bit thin. But the links themselves, a little bit jangly, but very comfortable. Nothing's too sharp on initial impressions. I think you've just got push pins there. Or is it a pin and collar system? No, I think it's just push pins. Yeah, the arrow's there. But so far, pretty good impressions. The specs on this thing are pretty sick. There's an affiliate link down below if you want to pick it up. Obviously, I make a tiny bit of commission at no extra cost to you. I'll just show you what's in the box. Little Addiesdive Deep Sea Hunter card with the user manual. I do like the Addiesdive cases though. They're always really easy to use. I will get this on my wrist and I will get a full review up very soon. It's been Dave. Thanks for checking my content out. Have a great day.